Let's have a look at the other one. It says a battery is connected first across the series combination, then across the parallel combination of three resistances R, 2R and 3R. अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया हुआ है कि बैटरी कनेक्ट की हुई है first across the series combination, then across the parallel combination, and they are saying in which of three resistances will power dissipated be maximum. तो पहला वाला केस हमारा कुछ ऐसे है कि हमारे पास थ्री डिफरेंट रेजिस्टेंसेज हैं विच इज R, 2R एंड 3R. अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या नोट करना है कि पावर डिसिपेटेड किस में सबसे ज़्यादा होगा. एज दिस इज अ केस ऑफ सीरीज तो करंट हमारा सेम फ्लो करेगा. सो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारा पावर का कौन सा फॉर्मूला इसमें यूज हो सकता है, I²R. एंड वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड यहाँ पे कि रेजिस्टेंस तो प्रोपोर्शनल है पावर के, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है. तो जितना ज़्यादा रेजिस्टेंस होगा उतना ज़्यादा पावर बढ़ेगा. So I can say the 3R part for the series case would dissipate the maximum amount of power. ठीक है, सबसे ज़्यादा amount of power किससे dissipate होगा? It is from 3R as it is proportional to R. Now if we consider the case of R, 2R and 3R and they are in parallel, they are given in parallel. So we can understand that the current would be different in every case, but voltage would remain same. Voltage would remain same. So therefore which formula we can use? V²/R. And in this case we can understand that power and resistance are inversely proportional to each other. And if they are proportional to each other, that means lesser the resistance, more would be power dissipated. So out of R, 2R and 3R, R is the least value. So we can say R would dissipate the maximum in series. सॉरी इन पैरेलल. सीरीज में तो हमारा 3R वाला रहेगा. दैट वुड बी मैक्सिमम डेसिपेशन.